for this model. Hold still, silly. Tip it up and pull out the bottom, and what we do is have to pull out the screwdriver, this screw here, this one here, and this one here, and then you loosen this one back here, but don't worry about pulling out, just a couple turns out. Okay, to get it out, just lift it up, pull it out a little bit, get it down. See the connector up here? I just use a flat tip screwdriver, push it in there, and it pops off. Easy peasy. But you have to take out this screw here, and this screw here, and this unit there will come off. There's also on the back, you see the wiring, you'll have what's been taped in. You have to remove this tape and then undo this coupling right here. And then when this is put on, you'll simply tape it back up in here and connect this. This will go back on the refrigerator, and this will connect to that connector. And notice that all the wiring on this one here appears to be correct. The same as what we looked at on the website. We wanted to make sure that it was all the correct one. Okay, it appears there's another screw back down in there. So you have to take, let me stop shaking here a little bit. You have to take that one screw out of there. Once you got that out, just pull the unit off, pull the wires away, and pull the auger off of the unit. Okay, now we've already had the auger off, and we put back in position on for the new one here. Got everything lined up where your screws are going to go in on the side over here and on this here. Getting the wire put back in position here. Then we'll reconnect this connector here, and we'll put our screws in from the other side. Now notice when you're putting your connector in, the housing here has got these little tabs on all four sides. This here should sit right down inside of there. Once you're done, you got it connected, take your tape, or you can take new tape, put it back in, and that'll help it hold in position while you assemble everything else. Okay, once your screws are all installed, this one, and one down in here, it's a good idea to use a magnetic tip screwdriver, believe me. Make sure that your edge sits right along the top of the lip right here. This sits down flush with that. You should be good. It should all be flush right here. Okay, time to put it back in place. Once everything's secure, here's the fun part. Getting this connector up and in. Little hand on the bottom. Get it in position and push it in place. It's not going to come out once it's in there, so don't worry about snapping in. Okay, and then just work this up in. Get your little guide in up the top up there. Yeah, I hear you. Okay, push it up and in place. And you can just pop a screw in down, a screw in the bottom here, hold it in while you fasten everything else in. And then we'll turn it on and let it make ice. We can actually do that right now. Okay, hit the reset. Now it gets cocked like that in order to dump the ice out, so don't worry about that. It's normal. The water should kick in.
Hurry up.
I'm hurrying. Okay. And I just finish putting the screw in, put your ice bag back, or ice tray back in, and you're good to go. Thank you.